Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss the classification of organic compounds. What are organic compounds? These are the compounds of carbon and hydrogen in which covalently bonded carbon is an essential constituent. These are the compounds which are formed by the covalent bonds between carbon and carbon hydrogen. These organic compounds are classified into two categories on the basis of their carbon skeleton. These are open chain organic compounds and closed chain organic compounds. Open chain organic compounds, also known as acyclic compounds. These are the compounds in which end carbon atoms are not joined with each other and form long chains. Those organic compounds in which end carbons of a chain are free, they are not attached with one another or any other carbon atom, these are known as open chain or acyclic compounds. A means no, acyclic those compounds which do not have a cyclic structure. These open chain compounds are classified into straight chain as well as branch chain. Straight chain compounds, those compounds in which carbon atoms are linked in a straight chain through single, double or triple covalent bond. Here you can see an example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms are there. These 6 carbon atoms are attached with single covalent bonds forming a straight chain. Here an example of N-butane having 4 carbons and all these 4 carbons are attached through a single covalent bond. Another example N-pentene having 5 carbons. These 5 carbons or this structure have single as well as double covalent bonds. So these are the different types of straight chain organic compounds in which end carbons are free. The second type is branch chain organic compounds. Those organic compounds which have a branch along with the straight chain. Here you can see a 4 carbon structure in which there is a 3 carbon straight chain with one branch. So this extension is known as a branch, and those compounds which have an extension of carbon atom, that compound is known as a branch chain organic compound. This is the structure of isobutane. Here is another example of 5 carbons with one extension, and this is also known as branch chain organic compound. Second category of organic compound is closed chain organic compound, also known as cyclic compounds. These are the compounds in which carbon atoms at the end of the chain are not free. They are linked together forming a ring. Those compounds in which first and the last carbon are attached with one another forming a ring structure, these are known as closed chain or cyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds means those which have a cyclic, circular or ring structure. These compounds are classified into heterocyclic as well as homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic, homo means same. So those compounds which have a cyclic structure, those cyclic compounds which have same kind of atoms are known as homocyclic compounds. All atoms in a ring are carbon atoms. So those cyclic compounds in which all atoms of carbon are present in a ring, they are known as homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds can be classified into aromatic as well as alicyclic. Aromatic compounds are those which have at least one benzene ring in their molecule. Due to presence of benzene, they are also known as benzenoid compounds. Here is the structure of benzene having 6 carbons in a ring structure with 3 alternate double bonds. These benzenoid compounds can be characterized due to their aroma or smell. Here you can see an example of naphthalene. having a benzene ring, anthracene also having one benzene ring. This have three benzene rings. Phenol and toluene also having benzene rings. These all are aromatic compounds. Another example is alicyclic, those compounds which do not have benzene ring in their molecule. As there is no benzene ring, also known as non-benzenoid compounds. Here is an example, cyclobutane having 4 carbons in a cyclic or ring structure attached with a single covalent bond. Cyclohexane, 6 carbons are present in a ring, all are attached with a single covalent bond. Cyclohexene also 6 carbon, but one double bond is also present beside the single covalent bonds. Last type of organic compounds is heterocyclic organic compounds. Hetero means different. So those compounds which contain one or more atoms other than carbon atom in a ring. Those cyclic compounds in which carbon atoms as well as some other atom are also present in a ring. Different types of atoms are present in a ring. They are known as heterocyclic compounds. Here is an example of thiophene with 5 members in a ring, but 4 of them are carbon and 1 is sulfur. Similarly, pyridine with 5 members of carbon and 1 is nitrogen. Furane having 4 carbons in a ring and 1 oxygen. So these are the different types of organic compounds, and I hope you can easily understand the classification of organic compound.